Exploring patentable aspects of 3D printing food production. Role of 3D printing in food production. 3D printing allows for precise ingredient control, the creation of complex structures, and efficient on-demand food production. Patent opportunities include ingredient innovations, new printing techniques, unique food compositions, and novel textures and structures. Ingredient innovations. Creating new food powders, gels, and blends for 3D printing offers significant patent opportunities in the food industry. New printing techniques. Technology patents in 3D food printing focus on improving precision, speed, and quality through novel printing methods. Food composition and recipes. Patentable food compositions include specialized recipes designed for 3D printing to meet nutritional and artistic goals. Challenges in patenting 3D printed food include proving novelty, navigating food safety regulations, and sourcing ingredients. Patent attorneys help draft strong claims, navigate regulations, and secure global protection for 3D food printing innovations. Contact us today to streamline your patent process and safeguard your innovations.